Hello everyone, welcome back to TechJams. In today's video, I will show you how to turn notification sound on or off on your iPhone. So let's get it started. First, open the setting app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here you will see different notification sounds options such as text, tone, voicemail, new mail, and more. To turn off a notification sound, tap on the options you want to change and select None. If you would like to enable a sound, simply choose any ringtone or alert tone from the list. You can repeat these steps for any notification type you want to customize. Now, if you want to manage notification sound for a specific app, go back to the main setting menu and tap on notifications. Select the app you want to adjust, such as TikTok, Message, or any other app. Then look for the sounds options and turn it on or off depending on your preference. And this lets you control whether that app plays sound when you receive a notification. And that's it. That's how you can turn notification sound on or off on your iPhone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechChamps for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.